Morning students, have a very pleasant morning. Today we want to see another grammar topic, that is articles. While speaking or while writing, it is very essential to know the rules of using articles. It's very simple, nothing complicated. The only thing is you keep some things in mind. So in today's lecture, we want to see the use of articles. Now, the articles, they fall in two categories. Indefinite articles and definite articles. In indefinite article, we study two. The first is a and the second is an. In definite articles, we study the use of the. So, in this first lecture on articles, we shall see the first one, that is the indefinite article, use of a or an. So, let's go to the details of using articles. The first thing to remember is articles are used before. See, articles, here we are thinking of a and an, these two. So, the articles a or and, they are used before common nouns, singular number. Now, it may be the case of a, an or the. Now, sometimes we pronounce the, sometimes we pronounce the. When I shall tell you, when I shall teach you the article the. Here, the first thing, important thing is, articles are used only before nouns. They are not used before verbs or adjectives or adverbs. So, the first thing, they are used before nouns. Now, what are nouns? Nouns are the place, the words which denote place, person or thing. We are thinking of common nouns here, as we have written common. Nouns are of four types, that I shall teach you when we shall study the parts of speech. Now, common nouns means the nouns which indicate, which show place, person or thing. जागा, व्यक्ती किंवा वस्तू ज्या नावाने दाखवल्या जाते त्याला आपण म्हणतो कॉमन नाउन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, चॉक, this is a common noun. Teacher, it is a common noun. But if you say Burgokar madam, then that is a proper noun. It is not common noun. So, the nouns, here common nouns, they indicate place, person or thing. School is a common noun. If you say Koshatwar High School, then it is a proper noun. So, before Koshatwar, we are not thinking of the use of this. Only before the word school, like this. So, this is the first rule. Articles are used before common nouns, singular number. Now, see what is the difference between the use of a and an. The first thing is, we should also learn why we should use articles. Means, is there any meaning to articles? कशाला वापर, उगीचच वाक्यात अ किंवा अन घ्यायचं का? नाही. अ किंवा अन याला काही अर्थ आहे. कुठला अर्थ आहे? The first thing, a or an is used in the sense of, means in the numerical sense of 1. For example, suppose I tell you, students, give me a pen. So what will happen? Will all of you stand up and give all the pens to me? No, because I said, give me a pen. A boy will stand up and he will come to me and he will give me one pen. So, a means here 1. This numerical sense. See, there is a chalk in my hand. Means there is only one chalk. So, this is the first and very simple meaning of a or an, both. If I say, I want to purchase an umbrella, means only one umbrella, like that. The second is in sense of any. Now see, when I say I want a pen, a means 1, numerical sense. This is the example. Now suppose I say a dog is honest. Do I want to say that one dog is honest? Not at all. My dog is honest, your dog is honest. Means if you think of any dog, he is honest. So here the article a is not used in sense of 1. It is used in the sense of any. Any dog is honest. Another example, a cow is useful. Now it doesn't mean one cow is useful. Any cow is useful. So this is the second meaning of a or an. Let's have a look at the third. Sometimes a or an are also used in indistinct, or I may say vague sense. वेग म्हणजे काय? संदिग्ध. इनडिस्टिंक्ट म्हणजे काय? संदिग्ध. संदिग्ध म्हणजे काय? नॉट क्लिअर. मीन्स देर इज नो क्लिअर आयडिया अबाउट समथिंग. देन वी कॅन यूज or we use this word. For example, I saw a man in the crowds. See this example. I saw a man in the crowds. Do I want to say here one man? No. Do I want to say any man in the crowd? My sentence will be meaningless. So, what I am speaking clearly about, you don't know. Means this is the indistinct use of, vague use of, unclear use of the article a or an. So, articles कशाला शिकायचे, कशाला वापरायचे, याचे 3 उत्तर आहे. एक या अर्थाने, एनी या अर्थाने आणि वेग सेन्स क्लिअर नाही या अर्थाने. सो दिस इज द मीनिंग. मीन्स द नीड टू लर्न द. Let us differentiate between now the use of a or an. I'll write some words. See. Table. See this verse. Now, always you should think of the sound, starting sound of the noun. All these are nouns. And when we pronounce them, see this one. How to pronounce? Table. We are starting with the linguistic th sound. So, this th, is it a consonant or a vowel? स्वर है कि व्यंजन है? व्यंजन है. Consonant sound. So, a thing. This, doll, the sound is the sound. So, a doll. This is parrot. P. Parrot. So P. Again A. So what are consonants? When there is a consonant sound, व्यंजनाचा उच्चार आहे, तर आपण अ वापरतो. कुठले व्यंजन आहे? क, ख, ग, ग. इफ यू वॉन्ट टू कीप इन माइंड युअर मराठी मदर टंग, यू कॅन से कमळाच्या क पासून ज्ञानेश्वरांच्या ज्ञ पर्यंत. ऑल दीज आर consonant sounds. Same type of consonants are there in English also. So this consonant, I am not saying that the spelling is starting with P, D, T. No, the first sound, the word is starting with the sound of ch, da, p, pa. So the article a. Now take the case of these. How is this word starting? Read the word aeroplane. What is the first sound? It is A. See, here was ch, j, p. What is here? A. Not the spelling A. The sound is A. Here the sound is inkpot. A. Not I. The sound is this, like this. E. This is I. A. This is not E. This is the sound is I. I. Means starting with A. So what are these? These are the vowel sounds. स्वराचा उच्चार. A, A, E, E, O, O, A, I, O, Au, A. Or their combinations also. There are different ways of writing them in linguistic. I shall teach them if the need arises. So I don't want to confuse you, so I am writing here simple Marathi words. So when a noun starts with a vowel sound, then we should use the article and. It will all be clear if you look at some other examples. See, read these words. See, what is this? Don't look at this and starting with you. No. Read it. The word is university. Means it is beginning with the sound y. And it is a consonant sound. So, a university. What is this? U. हा शब्द कुठला आहे? U. U म्हणजे मेंढे. So, it is not starting with E. It is starting with y sound. Same. So, a U. Now this one-eyed man. It is starting with W. Yaralav. W. So don't look at O. No, it is starting with W sound. So a one-eyed man. Now what is this? Umbrella. So don't say it's starting with you. It is starting with umbrella. Umbrella is a vowel sound, and so an umbrella. So this is how we use the articles a and an. So very simple. If there is a vowel sound, noun starts with a vowel sound, then use an. And if it starts with a consonant sound, then use a. There is only one different example. Say, read these words. Hotel and historical. How is it pronounced? This is hotel. किती syllables आहे याच्यात? 2 syllable. One is ह. Syllable म्हणजे अक्षर. This is tar. This is the first syllable. This is the second syllable. आपण hotel म्हणतो का? नाही. This is hotel. Hotel. Ho. This sound is inside. Thal. T is clearly pronounced. So there is the second syllable stressed. And the word is beginning with H. Beginning with H. Both these words. They are having same thing. That is, the first alphabet is H and the word is accented on second syllable. हा शब्द बघा. How to pronounce it? Do we say historical? No. It is historical. Historical. So, this is he. S-T-O stop, second syllable. Re, this is third syllable. And khal, this is fourth syllable. So, historical. बोलताना कोणता शब्दाला आवाज वर जातो किंवा कोणता शब्द स्ट्रेस होतो. जोर कोणत्या शब्दावर देतो आपण? या शब्दावर. पहिल्यावर देतो का? नाही. आपण काय म्हणतो? हिस्टॉरिकल. हिस्टॉरिकल नॉवेल. Historical novel. So, the word is beginning with H and it is accented on the second syllable. These two things, beginning with H, accented on second syllable, or second syllable is stressed, then we can use, we use. And it may be surprising for you, but this is the rule. Unheartily or unhistorical novel. So, this is all with the use of a and an. In the next lecture, I shall teach you how to use the. And in the third lecture, I shall teach you no article is used in which cases. So, thank you.